There be treasure right on the open sea.
Okay, so today I've been wondering how many. Don't call me right now. Why are you calling me right now? I'm trying to make a video. Wait, 1 second. I don't even have you on speaker. They need to hear what you have to say. Tell me the reason you called me right now.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. Can I call you back when I'm finished this video?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Anyways, guys, so today we're gonna be seeing how many people with the new wild psychic, aka Tatsumaki, how many people you can catch in windstorm theory with it. So let's get on with it. Here we go. One person. This is just one simple guy. Maybe I should turn 1 second. Okay, we're back. One guy. Of course, what do you think was gonna happen? 5 people. Okay, we're getting somewhere. That gave me a lot on my bar. Okay. 10 people. How will this work? Oh my. It works. Okay, hey, this is 20 people. Oh, 20 people. It works with 20 people. Oh my god. This is 50 people. I don't know if it's gonna work like this, but here we go. 50 people. Oh my god. It works. Okay. This is gonna be in pain for the next one. Put on my auto clicker. You heard nothing. Sorry guys, the video keeps on shutting off, but anyways, I don't know how many people this is. I'm just gonna leave it on for a while, so here we go. I think this is about more than enough. We need to test this. I don't know how this is. I don't know if this is everyone. Oh, that was okay. That was really something. I think I made it too chunky. Anyways, 1 second. Move a little bit to the side. That did not help at all. Okay, well, this is probably like at least 150 people. Oh, the lag. Oh no. Okay. Oh, you guys thought that was over, didn't you? Well, it's just started. Yep. This is me. I'm probably gonna crash my computer. Okay, this is like... I gotta put a few of them on for here. No, because that would ruin the challenge. What was I thinking? Okay, how far could this go? Maybe I'll do it again. What row? Oh no! That's like... Well, that was something. Anyways, how am I gonna clean all this up? Oh, just... 1 second. You may be wondering, how am I gonna kill all these dummies? Well, as you can probably tell, you might be wondering, I am putting on my performance stat. And you might be wondering why I have Genos on, but the truth is, fine then. You leave me absolutely no choice. I'm going to do this until all of them die. Bye bye. They all Yay. Now, I can't really do anything, so. I can't. Okay, we don't need the performance stats anymore. This has been the longest outro ever. Anyways, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Oh, bye guys. It's fun knowing you. I'm gonna die. Oh my god! Oh! They didn't even. None of that moved. What? I'm not taking that for an answer. What if that was fast Damn, that oh please. Now do this. Do this. Oh. My screen is out of place. Well, bye guys. I'm gonna do on the. Who is the lucky number today?